Hello, good evening. So I'm Aldrin, and I just want to share a dashboard which I have created for a specific monitoring uh, file being used in the company I'm working at. So I decided to upload this and the virtual discussions that I am making for my coworkers to help them be able to create a dashboard for the monitoring files that they are keeping or they are uh, updating daily. So basically, when I say dashboard, it when I say dashboard, it means the summary of the data that they are recording in their monitoring file. Because basically, if you go directly to the monitoring file, although the data is there, it is very inconvenient to check or to determine the status or what's happening with the data that in your monitoring files. For example, this one. So although the data is there, you can basically analyze with this raw file. So that's why I was thinking that this should be summarized through graphs, line graphs, pie charts, etc. That's why I came up with a dashboard where all you have to do is put the month, desired month. So it's either January, February, and so on, and your desired year 2019. Okay, since it has no date of 2019, I think we have for December. See, and or 2020. So there. So that is changeable. So uh, from a very big file, we are converting it to a useful uh, data graphs, which will help your boss probably or you yourself to determine what actions to be done or what will be our next step with the given data. So basically what I've used here are simple Excel equations such as the count if, the sum if, and the if functions. So I will be uploading several virtual discussions which I conducted with my co-employees for them to learn on creating this. So I decided maybe I should share it on public so that maybe I'm able to help even just one person who's using Excel or who wants to learn sum if, who wants to learn count if, even if the purpose is not creating a dashboard, at least I could help them with that. So after this, I will be uploading several virtual discussion. Then with those discussion has a goal of teaching you the sum if, count if, and the if functions. Then at the end of the discussion or at the very end of those virtual trainings, I am hoping that you are able to create also a dashboard of your own for your monitoring, or maybe if you need help on a very large file that needs to be summarized uh, in Excel, you can contact me. I have my email address in the comment section, so you can directly contact if you need help. So I'll try my best to accommodate your help on my free time so that at least I could help someone. Really, I just wanted to help someone who is struggling on Excel or uh, is trying to explore Excel, trying to increase their learnings. So anyway, uh, it's still it feels good to be of help to others. Okay, so that would be all I think. So I'll just show you the outputs that I've been making for a monitoring tool of this big. So I'm able to create a dashboard that can give you summary per month with I think this is also a conversion rate. Then with an aging that are also changeable in terms of months and years. Also, this one conversion rates. Okay, so these are changeable uh, by month or year. Okay, so basically that's it. I have to hide some of the data because to be fair with the company I'm working at, these are sensitive data, I believe. Okay, so just follow the videos that I'll be uploading uh, on this page, and maybe you can follow the page for more video uploads that may be helpful on your Excel journey. Okay, so thank you and good evening.